Hey traders, just wanted to take a second to show you how to install the MetaTrader 4 platform on your computer. Now you may already have the MetaTrader 4 platform. If you do, then you can skip this part. But if you don't, then I can quickly show you how to do that. So what you want to do is, of course, welcome to use any broker that you choose, but for this example, we use CryptoRocket. Just understand, it's not a recommendation for a broker. If you use this, you're more than welcome to. Just know they're an unregulated broker as far as FIFO is concerned, which doesn't matter for demo purposes. So we'll click this. All right, and right here it says download MT4. So that's what we're going to hit. All right, now we're given down here below the download. I click this little button here, bring open show in folder. Okay, here it is. What I'm going to do, copy it over to the desktop. Boom, there it is. Now we can get rid of that. So there we go. We have the install program for the MetaTrader 4, and all we need to do is double click. So you get a little screen here like this. Now for a demo account, go ahead and click the settings button. Oh, actually, never mind. That's all fine. You can leave it as it is. Alright, so we're waiting. It's installing. Okay, once it's done, it'll say congratulations, and just click finish. The MetaTrader 4 platform is going to open. Chances are it's already going to have a dialog box for you to start your account to get it going. I'm actually going to close out all these charts on here. We don't need those. Let's set up a demo account. So we'll hit File. We'll open an account, and we're going to choose a demo account. So we say Next. New demo account. Click Next. And here you're going to put some information. We'll put the email. Okay, you can put your phone. Okay, account type, just a normal Rocket account. Now, it doesn't really matter what you start with, but it'd be a good idea to start with close to what you think you're going to open a live account with, maybe 5,000, 10,000. I'll just leave this one to 10,000. It's up to you. It doesn't matter. The leverage, CryptoRocket gives you 1 to 500, so I keep it, but if you think you're going to be using lower leverage, you can definitely choose a leverage of your choice, and then check the tick box there, and hit Next. Boom. We're given a demo account number with a password and an investor password. Go ahead and write those down. Alright, and then click Finish. Alright, you should hear a nice little ringtone there. And if you look here, if you click Trade in the bottom left, you should see
incoming mail.
Just got a little announcement there. If you click the Trade button in the lower left, now that we're signed in, you can see our balances there. We have our Experts tab here where there's nothing in there now, just some standard stuff. Okay, so that's it, guys. You now have MetaTrader 4 platform installed on your computer. In the next video, we'll show you how to install the FibMatrix onto your MetaTrader 4 platform.